In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play Bloons TD6 with friends. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Once you reach a specific level, you will unlock co-op mode. So in order to set up a co-op match and play with your friends, first make sure that you reach at least level 20, and then when you go into the Play tab at the top right corner of the screen, you will find Friends. So tap on Play and then go over to Friends. Inside of the Friends tab, you will be able to enable friend requests. Make sure that this is enabled for you and your friend both, and you will see your friend code. What you have to do is share this friend code. So copy it manually or just choose this button here and then share your code with your friend. They will be able to choose the option to add someone and then input this code. And of course, you can do the same with their code. Once a friend request has been sent, you will be able to restart the game if it doesn't show right away and then access it on the Requests tab. Once both of you have added each other, either by sending friend requests with this button here and by sharing the friend code, you or by any other means, you will appear under the Friends tab. Now, as long as both of you have your status set to online, you will be able to configure a co-op match. So once again, go back to the home screen and next to play, you will find co-op. Just make sure that you choose that option and one of you will have to create the match. When you select create match, you will be able to customize the map, change the difficulty, the game mode, and you will see the code here. All that you have to do is share this code with your friend. You can close down any unused slots, that way only you and a friend can join, or if you have more people over, just enable these spots again. And once you have the necessary amount of slots, copy the code and share this with your friend. They will be able to go over to join match. So instead of selecting create match, go over to join match, and they will have the option to input the code that they copied. Keep in mind as well that if you are on the same network, you will also see the game that is being hosted here. So if you two are on the same location, you can just choose the go option instead of pasting the code. I hope I was able to help you on how to play Bloons TD6 with friends. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.